Oh, great. I think I broke it. I'm gonna put it up and boom. It didn't work. How in the world are we supposed to do this? Welcome back to another video. I wasn't gonna do a video on this because I've done a few other wiper videos, but actually this is the first time I've replaced the wipers in my 2016. It's a little tricky, so I thought I would do a video on it just to show you. So if you look here, you know, on all the other videos, you're supposed to raise this up, and you can see that it hits right here. So my next thought was, okay, well, I'll just open this up and say, now I've got room, but oh, it just hits right there. So I'm like, well, that doesn't work either. So what am I gonna do? Okay, so I thought it was actually more difficult than it actually is. I was making it more difficult. So hopefully this video will help y'all. There's a button right here, and all you have to do is push and slide. Let's see, of course I'm hitting down here. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to raise the hood anyway. Okay, let's see if this works. There we go. And you just want to make sure this doesn't like slap against the glass and chip your glass. But yeah, so you can see, you just push this button and slide. So this brand of wiper, I've been buying these now. This Rupa, I guess. It's actually a decent brand, so I would recommend it. I'll put a link in the description. So we'll just lift up here. And we're in. Same with this one, push the button. Bring it around. There we go. I don't really like how it's like resting on the glass, but I mean, I guess you could argue it is a simpler design. Okay. There we go. It's on. That was simple-ish. So as you can see, I was just making it more difficult than it needed to be, but hopefully this will help you. And now let's try this rear one. I knew that trick worked eventually. So, for some reason it doesn't work on the front, but it works on the back. I don't know why. All right, this should be pretty simple. Oh my. What in the world?
There's a button right here.
I don't think that's a button. Oh. Wait. What? That's weird. That can't be right. I'm pretty sure this pops down. I think I broke it. Let's see. There we go. Okay.
It came off.
Let's see. I think this goes. And then once it pops like that, you're in. So this might be an original wiper actually. So now you know how to do it, and if you're worried about breaking something, you can just watch me break something and show you that it's okay. So everything's intact. All right, so that's how you do it on the 2016. It's definitely changed between the 2010 and my last video, so it is a little bit more complicated, but hopefully this was helpful. We'll catch you next time.